right, lastly but not leastly, last question, question 5 of part 2 of our Beginning Python series. Let's check it out. We're on the wrong window. Here. A furniture shop charges $89 for chairs and $148 for desks. Write a program to calculate the total cost when a customer purchases any number of desks and chairs. The output should have sensible text description. So again, making it look nice for our user, not just returning random meaningless numbers. Cool. So let's go. Chairs equals, and it's going to be an integer, so we don't need to be a float. Integer input. Integer input. How many chairs would you like? Let's take that same thing, copy it, paste it, and just go desks. And how many desks would you like? And let's total equals chairs times something for the moment. I'll just double check that. Plus desks times something else. What were those numbers? 89, 148. $89.148, and without any discounts, without anything else, just gonna print out that total. Print the total cost is, give ourselves one of those, and comma, total. How many chairs would you like? I'd like 3 chairs, and I would like 5 desks. The total cost is $1,007, trusting that that maths works out. Of course, because of BEDMAS, that number gets calculated, and that number gets calculated, then they get added together, not before. So the computer definitely takes the order of operations into consideration before it returns that. That's great. Excellent. That's part 2 finished. We'll move on to part 3 shortly. See you there.